Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first mini vlog and I'm really excited and a little nervous, but that's okay. So today I am taking you through my simple day. So I just started my day, and first I like to apply oil to my scalp and small tie up of my hair, and then I prefer to drink hot water in the morning. Then I started to drink hot water with my favorite thought of the glass, and that helps to fit for the body. And then I have started to little clean up of my house, and it's a Friday, so I am little devotional and a little OCD. And after that I have started to help to my mother in cooking session, and me and my mother making something simple today, that idli and sambar, and I have just added the ingredients while my mother guiding in cooking. And I actually enjoying cooking because it's relaxing sometimes, and cooking gives me a learning skills to cook spicy food, and also I will also cook when we four at home. That is such a big happy moment, spending time with a family. And after the session I need to go for a work, so that I left preparation and my mother will continue, and also I will show how I will make myself to get ready to the work. Let's get started. Get ready with me to work. So this is the outfit I chose. I wanted something comfortable and easy for the day, so this is my simple outfit for a work. And also I don't like to get heavy makeup, so I will show how I get quick ready with a small glimpse.
ಕಚಗುಳಿ ಇಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಕಿಲ ಕಿಲ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಏತಕ್ಕೆ ಬದಮಾಶು ಹೃದಯ ಉತ್ತರ ಸಿಗದಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಸು ನಗುವುದು ನನಗಂತೂ ಅತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅತಿ ಹೊಸತು. ನಾನೀ ಥರ ಯಾಕಾಗಿರುವೆ ಕಲಿತಿದೆ ಮೈ ಅದರುವುದನ್ನು, ಹುಡುಗಿಯ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೆದರುವುದನ್ನು. ಕೊಬ್ಬೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಮಬ್ಬಾಗಿದೆ, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆಂದು ತಂಗಾಳಿಯಲೆಂದು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹೊಸ ಸಾಂಡು. ಏರಿ ಕುಳಿತೆ ಒಲವ ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆಯನು. ಅನಿಸಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಣಿಸಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಹೇಳಲೇಬೇಕಾದ ವಿಷಯ ಮರೆತೇ ಹೋಗುವುದು. ನನ್ನದು ನೇರ ನುಡಿ, ಒಂಥರ ಖಾರ ಬುಡಿ, ಆದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತೆ ನನಗೆ ಕವಿತೆ ಅನಿಸುವುದು. ನನ್ನ ಪೆಂಬುವನ ವಿಲುಗರಿ ಕಸಗುಡಿಸಿದೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಎದೆ ಬೀದಿಯು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿರುವುದು.
And this is my final look, simple and natural. So that's a small glimpse of my day, cleaning, cooking and getting ready.
ಕೈ ಎತ್ತುತ್ತ ನಾ ಹೇಳುವೆ ಒಲವಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆಂದು ತಂಗಾಳಿಯಲೆಂದು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹೊಸ ಸಂಡು.
I hope you enjoyed my first mini vlog, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.